Welcome to Zenith Publications. If you are a clinician or clinical researcher, you know that turning good science into a published paper can be challenging and time-consuming. Zenith is a family of 12 peer-reviewed medical and clinical journals designed to make that journey clearer, more supportive, and more efficient. We publish across multiple specialties and study types, and we combine experienced editorial teams with AI-assisted internal tools to handle manuscripts more consistently and efficiently, while keeping all key decisions firmly in human hands. In this short video, I'll walk you through who Zenith serves, how our journals are organized, what makes our approach different, and how you can find the right Zenith journal for your next manuscript. Zenith journals are designed for the people closest to patients and real-world data, clinicians, clinical researchers, and multidisciplinary teams. Across our portfolio, we welcome a wide range of study types: clinical trials, observational and registry studies, diagnostic and prognostic research, biomarker work, translational studies, and, in some journals, case series, case reports, and systematic reviews or meta-analyses. Whether you are an established investigator or submitting your first paper as a resident or fellow, Zenith aims to provide a professional, structured environment where your work is evaluated fairly and clearly. Zenith is not a single journal. It's a portfolio of 12 clinical journals that cover different specialties and types of research. We group our journals by clinical area: oncology and cancer care, cardiology and vascular medicine, internal medicine and critical care, surgery and perioperative care, and other focused specialties like neurology, infectious diseases, or endocrinology. Each journal has a clear scope, its own editorial board, and defined author guidelines. This means your manuscript can be reviewed by specialists who understand your field, while still benefiting from a consistent overall experience across the Zenith portfolio. What sets Zenith apart is our aim to be more than just a yes or no decision point. We work on clear author guidance, a supportive and professional peer review culture, and transparency about what we look for in submissions. A key differentiator is that we're integrating AI into our internal workflow, not to replace editors, but to support them. AI tools help us with early checks around scope, manuscript structure, and basic clarity so that editors can spend more of their time on what matters most: the scientific and clinical content. Every editorial decision remains human and expert-led, but AI helps us handle manuscripts more consistently and efficiently. Alongside that, we invest in education, like this video series, to help you strengthen your paper before you even click submit. Choosing the right journal is one of the most important decisions you make as an author. Start by matching your work to the appropriate specialty area: oncology, cardiology, internal medicine, surgery, or another clinical field. Then consider your study type. Is this a randomized trial, an observational cohort, a diagnostic accuracy study, a translational biomarker project, a review, or a case report? From there, read the aims and scope of candidate journals, look at what they've published recently, and decide whether your work fits a specialized or broader clinical audience. Our website includes a journal portfolio page, and ideally a journal finder tool, that can help you quickly narrow down the best Zenith journals for your manuscript. Zenith's goal is to support clinicians and researchers in turning solid clinical work into clearly reported, publishable evidence. With 12 clinical journals, specialty-focused editorial boards, a supportive approach to peer review, and AI-enhanced internal workflows, we aim to combine modern efficiency with expert human judgment. Your next step is simple. Visit the Zenith Journal portfolio page, match your manuscript to the journal that best fits your specialty and study type, review the author guidelines, and submit with confidence. Thank you for considering Zenith Publications as a home for your clinical research.